Perched high above Chania, offering stunning views of the city and the sea, the Venizelos graves hold a special place in Greek history. This is where Eleftherios Venizelos, one of Greece's most influential statesmen, and his son, Sophoklis Venizelos, are laid to rest. Beside the graves stands the small Church of Prophet Elias, known locally as Tsar's Church. The church is named after Tsar Alexander II of Russia, who played a significant role in supporting Crete's struggles for independence. During the 19th century Cretan revolutions against Ottoman rule, this hill became a battlefield. In 1897, it was bombarded by the great powers to suppress the uprising. However, the resistance of the Cretans persisted, paving the way for Crete's eventual liberation and union with Greece. Today, the Venizelos graves are not just a place of remembrance, but a symbol of freedom, resilience, and vision. Visitors come to pay tribute to the legacy of Eleftherios and Sophoklis Venizelos and to enjoy the serenity of the surrounding gardens, while the panoramic views of Chania, especially at sunset, leave a lasting impression. If you're in Chania, don't miss this historic and peaceful spot. Follow Crete Memories for more stories from the heart of Crete. Like, share, and subscribe